sunshine. I hope you guys having an amazing day as always. So, today you're probably wondering now, what time is it right now? It's Friday. Yes, I would have school today. So it's Friday today, and it is the 4th of November. No, 4th of December. And look at the weather we have brought us today. It is snowing! Woo! So it's snowing today, and well, this is probably zoomed in, and I have no school. So, because I kind of can't get to school because the roads are icy, or it doesn't, yeah, it's just, you know, it's a bit icy, and the cars are full of snow. And yeah, so I'd rather just work from home today. And I'm probably zoomed in because I forgot to zoom out. Okay, so I'm going to work from home today, but my first lesson is food tech, so we are going to go ahead and we're going to make some food today. So we are going to make two things, which will bring us two YouTube videos. So the first thing we're going to be making is banana pancakes, as I we went breakfast, so is my sister, because I went mum's breakfast. So let's go downstairs and see what's in the kitchen for us. Okay guys, so we are going to get the BBC Good Food recipe, which is literally just looks like a bit like that. It's got the easy banana pancakes recipe, and you need 35 grams of self-raising flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 very nice bananas, 2 medium eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract if you want, 250 ml of whole milk, and butter for frying. So you just put butter into for frying. So that is legit all you need. So we're going to go ahead and get all the ingredients ready, and we're going to go ahead and start baking. So I think I have all the ingredients ready, so I'm going to tell you what we have. So we have our mixing bowl, of course, our mixing bowl to mix all the mixture into it, as I kind of don't have the hands for it right now. And then we have, normally you would just use like normal milk, but I'm going to use soy milk as my sister is lactose intolerant, so I want to make it sure she can have it as well, as I'm a very kind sister. And then we are going to have 2 bananas, and then we are going to have some fine self-raising flour, and then you need baking powder, and then you need 2 eggs and vanilla extract, and you need weighing scales, and you just need some butter to put in the pan to make the pancakes. So we're going to go ahead and just do the first step, which is we're gonna mash the bananas. So first thing we're gonna mash the bananas, because that will probably take ages. So let's go ahead and just get the bowl to mash the bananas. I'm not even halfway through this now. so the banana is pretty much mashed now. Like, it's pretty much mashed. I'll probably just do a bit of extra when we're about to like add the bananas. But the bananas will be whisked up anyway in the mixture. So yeah, so now we're gonna just do the next step, which is we're gonna weigh out the flour. So let's go ahead and just make sure we have enough flour. So we don't know if we have enough. Ella's got the sledge. Yeah. I know, it's legit, no, it's not. Mixture done. Okay. What are they going to do for lunch? Finished. Okay guys, so that is the end of today's video. As you can see, it is like all night now. I do not feel look the same as I did before because I actually forgot to film an outro. So here I am coming to you with the outro. I hope you all enjoyed this video today. Do not forget to like and subscribe and comment down below what kind of videos you want to see next. I am sorry that this video was a little bit short, but it was just me making pancakes. I wanted to show you the recipe I made, and they weren't like proper flat pancakes that you put things in. They were like pancakes that like are thick and like good filling pancakes. I had like 2, my mum had 2, my sister had 2, we had maple syrup on, and they're really nice. I really do recommend you use this recipe. Obviously there's different recipes that different kind of people use, but if you are going to use this recipe, I do recommend you make them a little bit thinner because my way they were quite thick, but they were nice either way. You're still eating the same thing, just thicker and more or less, you know. But anyway, if you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe and comment down what you guys want to see for Vlogmas, and I hope you're actually enjoying Vlogmas so far, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys!